everyone. So today we've got a Nerf gun with us, a brand new one. It's going to be an unboxing for it. This is actually going to be on Zach's channel. I'm just doing the video for him because I got it. So yeah, let's unbox it. So we've got, first of all, we've got an extension barrel, 4 white darts. We've got the dart storage and then the popper gun. And on the back there's not much, it's just like the Modulus upgrade kits and stuff, because this is part of Modulus, the Modulus Ironfire. So yeah, let's open this. Okay, so I've taken off the box for it. So yeah, I've just got everything here. So yeah, let's undo it. Okay. Oh god, that is quite stiff. Okay, I tried to do this with the Nerf strike. Bottom. Okay, we might want to stop it there because I think I need to go get some scissors for it. Okay, so I got a pair of scissors. So yeah, let's get everything undone. There we go. Dart storage. Barrel. What? Hey. Barrel. So. Now I got the proper gun. Looking sweet. Okay, now just the darts. I might be able to. There we go. Funny arrangement. Bullets, guys, are annoying. Okay, I'm gonna have to. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right. Okay, so now this is where we're going to put everything together. So I've got the normal gun here. Feels nice, light, really light actually. Got a tactical rail there and a tactical rail at the left. So let's put the barrel on. There we go. Nice barrel. Now let's start it on like that. Nice. So put the darts in here, which will be awesome. There we go. So the gun is looking amazing. Okay, right, let's Okay, so this is how we're going to load the gun. Okay, so this thing here, you pull it back, let's stop there. There's a little hole there. See it? Get the dart, put it in that hole, push it in right to the end, push that forward, and then boom. That is that is a really good weapon. So yeah, this has been the end of the review, guys. But there's just one more thing before I go. I'm going to try and fire all 4 at once. Or fire all 4 quickly. Right, so when we're ready, and let's go. Try and do this really quickly. Okay, alright, 1. Oh no! Boom. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!